Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Today we want to talk about how to prepare for pengajaran dan pembelajaran di rumah (PDPR). As we all aware now, this pandemic forced the activity of learning and teaching done via online. Therefore, your gadgets such as smartphone and laptop are the most important things to you in order to prevent you from missing class. In this video, we will discuss about what should you prepare for your learning and teaching class. We might share some cool tips too. So please stay with us for more. To begin with, we would like to remind you guys to first check your battery percentage before class. This is to prevent any of your device to shut down in the middle of the class. Yes, we know that before going shutdown, the device usually will alert you. However, some devices, especially the one that used for more than 3 years, sometimes will shut down on its own without any warning and can cause you to miss your class season. Therefore, just to make sure everything good for class, check your device battery.
Hi everyone, today I will talk about internet connection for online class. As mentioned by Siti Noratira Zori, since all class and lecture done via online, the second thing that student will need besides the device that they use is the internet connection. If your internet connection not very good and stable, it will harder for you to stay focused during your class. This will make video and voices of the lecturer of any presenter stuck. Therefore, poor internet connection should be avoided if students want to keep focus while online class. There are two choices that we would like to suggest to connect to your internet. The first option is if you got a Wi-Fi router at your house, you can connect your laptop to Wi-Fi. Or you can use your smartphone internet and share your internet to your laptop through mobile hotspot features. Another option is you also can join your class from your smartphones and only use your mobile data. But if you're using laptop, it is more comfortable for you to have a good sight when you view slides or any content that been shared to you during class. And for now, I use my mobile hotspot to get internet connection for my laptop. And now, if you want to make sure your internet connection is stable, you can Google something. For example, is Smart V3 and try to open it. And now we can open Smart V3. Then now it is shown that you have a stable internet connection. However, the stability of the internet connection also influenced by the surrounding of your place. As we all know, areas like rural areas always face with the unstable internet connection. Not only that, it is also impossible to get a proper connection in some rural area. So for the solution, you have to make sure that you can find a way to always keep in touch with your lecturers and notify them about the problem you face.
Here's the fun part. I will share some tips on how to boost your internet speed. Remember to jot down these tips because you might need them someday. First tip is, if you are using phone hotspot, limit the device connection. Therefore, less internet data will be used. Only allow one device to connect, which is your laptop. Go to Setting and search for Portable Hotspot. Tap on the connected device and tap on the limit of connected device and set it to 1. Next, if your laptop is updating any of your apps or updating the Windows, make sure to pause all downloading activities since it can disturb the internet speed. In addition, avoid streaming on any other tabs because it will consume a lot of your internet data. First, we need to go to Task Manager and look at the internet section to see which apps are using our internet. And for our information, Windows Update are the one who usually use a lot of our quota, so we need to close it. First, we need to type Windows Update, then click it, and make sure to pause it for 7 days to save our quota. Our last tip is for your Wi-Fi. Always update your security to cut off bandwidth leeches. If your house is automated, protecting your Wi-Fi network from intruders is even more critical. Any connected computer consumes bandwidth, and the more outside devices on your network, the less likely it is that your automated home devices can receive the bandwidth they need. Go to Setting and search for Portable Hotspot, then tap at Setup Portable Hotspot, and next tap at Security, then choose either WPA2 or WPA3. Then you can set up your password. I hope these tips can help you boost your internet and save your quota. Thank you.
Nice.
Continuing the points that had been given by Nizam, these are the other particular things that we need to do before entering an online class or online learning. Let's talk about device. I believe everyone have their own computer or smartphone, so there are already mounted webcam and microphone in it. In order for us to listen and see clearly about the lecturers, all the stuff that I have stated just now is one of the most important things in online learning. You can easily interact with the lecturers, no need to go out and meet personally and physically with the lecturer. By using this device, you can also easily ask and answer questions without any problems. Besides, by having webcam and microphone, students can easily do presentation clearly without any problem. This is because there are many features that you can get to make a great presentation, such as split screen method, obvious screening method, and so on. And last but not least, with this device, students can easily review and do discussion about the lecture notes. So, here is the example. As you can see, highlighted there. So, I'm using Google Meet as a platform to entering my online learning. So this is the example for the webcam and the microphone. Thank you.
If we sleep early, we can focus on the lecturer. When we want to start our lecturer, we must prepare ourselves first to getting ready early, because these are the essential things that we need to do. First of all, you need to sleep earlier. From the first step, we need to manage our sleeping time. At least we can get a good 7 hours of sleep. I'm saying this because a good sleep leads to focus and influence the condition of mind. And for the second point is give full attention during the lecture. For this, we can see why we need to give full attention during lecture. If you don't give attention during lecture, you will fall behind and did not understand any of the lecture. And for the number 3 point is give effort to enter the lecture early, so do not miss any of point or notes from the lecturer. The third one is to give effort to yourself for enter the lecture early, so you don't miss any important point, and also the attendance. If it is important to do such thing because it can teach us how to become more responsible and discipline yourself to become a better person. And for the number 4 point is prepare stationery to write important notes. Then you also need to prepare your own stationery to write down the important notes so you don't miss any of them or any of the important point from your lecturer. And for the lastly is inform family member to not disturb during the lecture. I'm saying this because I believe that there's among us who has lived with their parent and or sibling. If you live with your parent, please inform them earlier to not make any loud noises or disturb you during the lecture. For those students that live in the campus, you can ask your roommate to not make any weird noises and loud sound before the lecture session starts. And that's all from me, and thank you for the attention.